Human rights. Equal rights. 15.1. Equal before and under the law, and equal protection and benefits of the law. Equal individual is equal before and under the law, and has the right to the equal protection and equal benefit of the law, without discrimination, and in particular without discrimination based on race, nationality, ethnic origin, color, religion, sex, age, or mental or physical disability. Therefore, on top of that, a breach of trust under the definition of torture in the Canadian Criminal Code, a 269.1, torture. Every official or every person acting at the instigation or of or with the consent or as something of an official who inflicts torture on any other person is guilty or indecentable offense and is liable to imprisonment of a term not exceeding 4 years. The definition for the purpose of this session: officials, meaning a peace officer, a public officer, being a social worker or anything like that, a teacher, a member of Canadian Forces, military, or any persons who may exceed power pursuant to the law in force in a foreign state that would in Canada be exercised by a person referred to in paragraph A, B, or C, which if you want to read in the Canadian Criminal Code book, which is also on their website, HTTP double dots up and down // laws LAWS dash LOIS point JUSTICE.GC.ca, and you can find it all yourself. Also on top of that, the definition of spraying of nauseous things, a 245. Administering nauseous things, anyone who administers or causes to be administered to any persons or causes any person to take poison or any other distinctive or nauseous thing is guilty of an indecent offense and is liable as well of imprisonment. Meaning mace, bear mace, dog mace, hairspray, anything that may harm somebody. Meaning a police officer who psychologically tortures somebody by cowing them in threatening gestures such as putting their hand on their holster as they walk by and giving them a mean look like they're going to turn around and shoot them. What's his name? Mr. Constable Francis Chardy, or the cop that did it 2 days ago that made me scream because I'm getting sick and tired of being threatened with psychological warfare by the RCMP and other people where I get sprayed continuously in the Comox Valley. That my voice is cracked now and I have a hard time talking because I had to yell so bad. Excessive force. Period. If I can't do it, you can't do it. Also, the international racist crew that's going around and psychologically cowing me too by pretending not to be able to speak perfect English, which you have to speak perfect English to enter our country. I understand. I'm not discriminating to people. My stepfather, David Quinn Fa Lai, is Chinese from Hong Kong. He abused me psychologically and physically my entire life, as did my mom, Anne Lai. And Ross Joseph Francis Lai. I've asked them very politely to leave me alone, and my mom to pay me back my money that she stole from me when I did my paper routes as a child. If you have a problem with this, take it to court. If you want to threaten me again, I have the right to defend myself as I see fit, without using excessive force. Thank you. I do not see the RCMP as protectors in an equal basis in this country either. Thank you very much for rooting my thought of protection of the police forces of this country. I don't know about the military either, but under the Act of Somalia, they all got disbanded. I understand, and it's on the internet as well. Airborne Rangers of Canada, Somalia. You can read it yourself. Thank you.